Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to check 4G or 5G in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. Whether your phone is 4G or 5G, you can verify it yourself. Okay, what you to do is there are three methods. Okay, first method, go to settings, then go to about phone, and go to software information and look at the serial number. Here serial number is read as 10BDA then 0. Okay, BDA 50, and then after this digit A50, after this letter A, then next two digit is 50. Okay, look at after next two digit. Okay, the number is here 8. Okay, if it is 8 means it is more than 5 here given. Okay, 8 is greater than 5, so if it is more than 5, you can conclude that your phone is surely 5G. Okay, so this phone is 5G. Okay, if it is 4G means this number will be of 5 or below 5. Okay, but it is more than 5. Okay, if it is 6 or 7 or 8 or 9, whatever may be, if it is more than 5, then you can conclude that your phone is 5G. Okay, this is first way of checking whether your phone is 4G or 5G. Then second way, then for next way, go to the settings of your phone here, then go to display and brightness. And go to screen refresh rate. If screen refresh rate is capable of handling 120 Hz, if 120 Hz is given, then you can understand that your phone is surely 5G. Okay, if it is 4G means 120 Hz will not be available, and below 120 Hz will be used, that is 60 or 90. Okay, go back. This is second method of checking your phone is 4G or 5G. Here second method is also passed, so my phone is surely 5G. Okay, then third method, for that go to settings, then go to network and internet, and here go to SIM card and mobile network, and select any SIM card here, and here click on preferred network type. If it is 5G, that means that then from your network it will be showing here 5G. Okay, 5G preferred is showing here. Okay, similar way you can check it in the second SIM 2. Go back and go to SIM 2, and here to check it in the 5G network mode or preferred network type. Here 5G preferred. Okay, also you can check it in 5G network mode, and yes, it is set to auto select. So 5G network mode option is given. Okay, 5G is enabled, so that 5G is capable, 5G is given in your phone, so that 5G network mode option is given. Okay, so in these three methods you can check your phone is whether your phone is 4G or 5G. So here also I got checked in the third method, there is it is proved here 5G. Okay, so in these three methods you can check whether your phone is truly 4G or 5G. Okay, my phone is 5G here. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.